Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are a developer or IT professional and you struggle to speak English confidently in the workplace, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to share 10 important workplace English sentences that every developer should know. These sentences will help you speak more confidently during meetings, code reviews, daily stand ups, and even client discussions. So, are you ready? Let's get started. So, the first point is I'm working on this task. We use this sentence when we want to inform our team that we are currently doing the task. For example, during a daily stand up meeting, you can say, I'm working on the payment integration module. Next is, I'm facing an issue. We use this sentence when we are experiencing a problem. For example, I'm facing an issue with the API response. The next is, the issue has been fixed. We use this sentence after solving a problem. For example, the login issue has been fixed and deployed to production. Next is, can you please review my code? Here, you are asking someone to check your code to see if there are any mistakes or improvements. Next is, I will check and update you. Here, you are saying that you will look at the issue and inform the person later. Next is, I have pushed the changes. That means you have uploaded your code changes to the shared repository like Git. Next is, we need to discuss this requirement. That means the team needs to talk about the requirement more clearly. Next is, the build is failing. That means the project cannot compile or run successfully. Next is, this is not working as expected. That means the feature or program is not behaving the way it should. And the last sentence is, let's schedule a call. It means the team should arrange a meeting to talk about the issue. I hope these sentences help you communicate more confidently in your workplace. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.